Assalamu alaikum class. Let's start our work with the name of Allah. Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today we will discuss about chapter number 8, linear graph and applications, exercise 8.1, question number 4. Before going towards question number 4, in this question we will discuss one equation, that is y is equal to mx plus c, where y is the variable, x is the variable, M and C, these two are the new terms that are used in this equation. So here M is actually the slope and the coefficient of x, and C is the intercept, and C is also a constant number. Question number 4 is find the value of M and C. Whatever the equation in the question is given to you, from that equation you have to find the value of M and C by expressing them in the form y is equal to mx plus c. First of all, you have to convert it in the form y is equal to mx plus c, where y terms will be on the left side. Mx plus c means the coefficient of x and the constant number will be on the right side. And then we have to find out the value of M and C. First part, A part, that is 2x plus 3y minus 1 equals to 0. For solution, first of all, as according to the rule, we have to shift the coefficient of x and the constant number towards the right side. So here according to that 3y will be on the left side, and then 2x is positive on the left side. When it will move towards the other side, it will become negative, and minus 1 is a negative number. When it will move towards the other side, it will become positive. Now here the equation will become 3y is equal to minus 2x plus 1. Now as according to the equation y is equal to mx plus c, on left side there must be only y variable, but here there is the coefficient of y as well. So 3 is multiplied by y. When it will move towards the other side, it will divide with the equation minus 2x plus 1. So the equation will become y is equal to minus 2x plus 1 divided by 3. And we can also write that equation in the split form, that is y is equal to minus 2x over 3 plus 1 over 3. And as I told you in previous slide, that m is actually the slope and that is a coefficient of x, and c is the constant number. So now from this equation we will find out the value of m and c. So the value of m is the coefficient of x, that is minus 2 by 3, and constant number c is 1 over 3. So here m is equal to minus 2 over 3 and c is equal to 1 by 3. Next part, B part, is x minus 2y equals to minus 2. Now here moving x towards the other side, so the equation will become minus 2y is equal to minus x minus 2. Now minus 2 is multiplied by y. When it will move towards the other side, it will be divided by the equation minus x minus 2. So the equation will become y is equal to minus x minus 2 divided by minus 2. Now split the terms. Y is equal to minus x over minus 2 minus 2 divided by minus 2. Now this minus sign will be cancelled with this minus sign. 2 will be cancelled with 2. So the remaining equation will be y is equal to x over 2, and now the sign, the negative sign in the denominator and the sign between these two terms minus will be multiplied. Minus minus is plus, so the sign we will write in between this equation is plus. So x over 2 plus 1. Now the coefficient of x is m and the constant number is c. So according to that, m is equal to 1 by 2 and c is equal to 1. Question number 4, C part. C part is 3x plus y minus 1 equals to 0. For the solution, move 3x towards the other side and minus 1 towards the other side. So the equation will become y is equal to minus 3x plus 1. So here the coefficient of x is m and the constant number is c. So according to that, m is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 1. Question number 4. D part 2x minus y equals to 7. So for writing the solution 2x minus y equals to 7, first of all move 2x towards the other side. So the equation will become minus y equals to minus 2x plus 7. Now here minus is multiplied by y. When it will move towards the other side, it will change the signs. So the equation will become y is equal to 2x minus 7. The negative numbers will become positive because of that negative sign, and positive numbers will become negative. So according to the equation y is equal to mx plus c, the coefficient of x is m and the constant number is c. So here m is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 7. Question number 4. E part is 3 minus 2x plus y equals to 0. For the solution 3 minus 2x plus y equals to 0, we will move 2x towards the other side and 3 towards the other side. So 2x is negative. When it will move towards the other side, it will become positive. So the equation will become y is equal to 2x and 3 will move towards the other side, it will become negative. So 2x minus 3. So here the coefficient of x is m and the constant is c. So according to that, m is equal to 2 and c is equal to minus 3. So this is how we can calculate y is equal to mx plus c by switching the terms, and we have to remember that the coefficient of x is m, that is slope, and the constant number is c, that is intercept. So f part you have to do yourself.